If you are looking for a simple tool to organize notes, tasks, ideas, and projects without the complexity of traditional project management software, Workflowy might be worth considering. In this review, I will cover what Workflowy is, its key features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Workflowy? Workflowy is an online note-taking and organization tool built around an infinity bullet point system. Instead of using folders and complicated menus, everything is organized in nested lists that you expand or collapse whenever needed. It is designed for individuals, students, writers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who prefers a clean and distraction-free workspace. Key features. One of Workflow's biggest strengths is its infinity hierarchy. You can create bullet points inside bullet points without any practical limit, making it easy to organize large amounts of information. Other notable features include powerful search and filtering tools, tags for organizing content, Kanban board view for task management, real-time collaboration and sharing, file and image attachments, cross-platform access on web, desktop, and mobile devices. Pros. Workflowy offers several advantages: extremely simple and easy to learn, fast and lightweight interface, excellent for brainstorming and outlining, flexible enough for notes, tasks, and project planning, syncs across multiple devices. And when talking about the cons, it has fewer advanced project management features than tools like Notion, ClickUp, or Asana. Heavy reliance on bullet points organization may not suit everyone. Some advanced features require a paid plan. Is Workflowy worth it? Workflow is an excellent choice if you want a simple, distraction-free tool for organizing information, creating outlines, and managing personal tasks. However, if you are looking for complex databases, automation, or advanced team project management, you may be better off with alternatives like Notion or ClickUp. Conclusion. Overall, Workflowy remains one of the best minimalist productivity tools available in 2026. Its simplicity, speed, and flexible structure make it a great option for anyone who prefers organized lists over complicated workspaces. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more productivity software reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in a new one.